Hello, this is Dr. Oz. In this video, I would like to show you how to create pivot tables in Excel. To be able to do that, first download data from our class Blackboard page. When you scroll down, you should be able to see Introduction to Python. And here, when you click on this little icon, you should be able to download two sales data.csv file. Click on it. And here what you can do is just download this file and open that CSV file. And the CSV file should look like this. And what I would like to do here is first, I would like to save as because you cannot make changes on CSV files. Save as, I would like to save this file to my local computer. So I click on more options. And here, let's say I want to download it to where I will remember where it is. Let's say, um, for this purposes, why don't I just do downloads and as a Excel workbook and save this file. So now I can make changes on this file. Let's go over some of this data columns. So the first column here is date, product type, different regions, different salespeople, number of units sold, how much each unit price is, and total revenue. So let's create, what I would like to do is pivot tables to be able to better see what's going on in this data. I will click on this top left corner where this triangle is to select the entire worksheet and then insert pivot table. And I would like to create a new worksheet, click OK. So now what I would like to do is create my pivot table here. There are different ways we can do this. Let's say, first of all, I would like to understand the products. So I drag the products to my rows. And then also what I would like to do is units sold. You can see each product, how many times they are sold. And then I could do look at unit price for each product. I could do total revenue for each product. You see, I drag to this value section so you can see all those. To make it easier to see these, obviously these are numbers, so highlight this and then under home tab click on this comma. I don't need decimals, so click over here twice. And these are dollars, so I will highlight those, click on dollar, and I don't need to see decimals necessarily, so I will again decrease those decimals by clicking on this button right here. So this shows you which product sold the most and most revenue and so on. If I want to sort these, I could just click on this little arrow and look at the sort options. And let's say I would like to sort them descending order based on revenue and click OK. So you can see that the most sales happen by headphones. And if you want to just, if this blank area, which I don't have any blank cells, annoys you, you can just click over here and eliminate the blank one so you can see what's going on here. So let's create another pivot table. Again, I will go back to my data and click on this top left corner, insert again pivot table. Let's say this time existing worksheet, and then click on this little icon right here. Click on our sheet here and then click on this cell right here and press enter and click OK. So now I want to create another one. Let's say this time I would like to have the dates in my rows. And here you can see the different months. And what I would like to do is, again, maybe I'm interested in the total revenue. So you can see total revenue here. I will highlight those under home tab, click dollar sign. I don't need decimals. Perfect. So you can see in each month what's going on, like January, how much the sales is happening, February, March, and so on. You can see the highest sales here happen in January. And let's see whether there's any data before January 1st, 2024, which I don't have it. So again, if you don't want to see it, you can just uncheck that. So another way, for example, if I want to see my data by month, And let's create another one. Let's label first of all this one as double click on this worksheet and name it as pivot table. Now what I would like to do is create another pivot table, go back to this original worksheet and insert pivot table, existing worksheet, little icon, pivot table. Let's say I want to create third one right here. Enter, enter. And this time what I would like to do is, let's say I would like to see the total revenue by the salesperson. So I drag salesperson in my row and then my total revenue in my values. Then I don't need to see decimals necessarily. Highlight those, home, dollar, and I don't need decimals. Boom. And again, I can sort them based on the revenue, descending order, and based on sum of the revenue, click OK. And again, I don't need to see the blank necessarily. Uncheck that, click OK. So you can see that the highest revenue generated by salesperson 4. That's it for this video. Until next video, enjoy business analytics.